How to enable or disable shared calendar invitation link on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the calendar app. Then tap on the menu button at the top left. Now scroll down and tap on Manage Calendars. In here, open up your share calendar from your Samsung account. And then we go down and tap on Share with Person. In here, tap on Invitation Link toggle button to turn off the share link. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or you can switch it on. And here, when you switch it on, it says that anyone with a link in a Galaxy device can join. This link provides access until 1 week from now. So that is approximately 1 week from today. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.